Now, the next tool you are going to learn is the Artboard tool. Its shortcut is Shift O. When you will select the Artboard tool, then here you will see the name of your artboard, which is Artboard 1. Here you can see the controls on the edges. So just click, hold and drag to transform it. You can change its location. Just click, hold in the center and drag. Like this. Now, just double click on the Artboard tool to open its dialog box. So here, first option is the name. Your artboard name is Artboard 1. You can change the name of your artboard. Here, write the name you want to give to your artboard. I am giving the name My First Artboard and then click OK. So now here you can see the name of your artboard has been changed. Let's come back to the dialog box. Now here, next option is the preset. You can change the preset like A4 and click OK, or A3. So like this, you can choose the preset accordingly. If you want to set the height and width of the artboard in a precise way, you can set from here. Now, next comes the orientation. You can change the portrait mode or the landscape mode. Like this. You can tick this option for constraint proportions. If you want the center mark in the artboard, you can check this option. Like this. You will be able to see the center mark of your artboard. If you want the crosshairs in the artboard, check this option. Like this. If you want to see the video safe areas, check this one and click OK. Like this. So you can set the options accordingly. Now, if you want to create another artboard, come out of this artboard and then click, hold and drag. Like this, you can create many artboards. Now, if you want to change the settings of this another artboard, first select this artboard, then double click on the tool. And you can change the settings accordingly. So this is how you can use this tool. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.